In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost WordPress page speed optimization, Elementor guide. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to Elementor, then open the editor area. From there, go into settings. This is where several of the most important speed-related options live, and making a few smart changes here can noticeably improve how quickly your pages load. Inside settings, click on the performance tab. This section is especially useful because Elementor includes built-in optimization features that help reduce unnecessary loading and improve front-end efficiency. In this area, enable optimized asset loading and improved CSS loading. These settings help ensure that your site is only loading what it really needs, instead of forcing visitors' browsers to process extra files that may slow things down. Next, turn on Optimize DOM Output, Element Caching, and Lazy Load Background Images. These features work together to improve page performance in different ways. Optimized DOM output helps reduce excess code structure, element caching can help speed up rendering, and lazy load background images prevents large images from loading before they're actually needed on screen. After that, click on Element Manager and run a structural scan. This helps identify which Elementor widgets and elements are actively being used on your site. Once that scan is complete, deactivate every unused widget. This is a very effective step because unused widgets can still load scripts and create extra requests even when you're not intentionally using them on the page. Then go to Elementor, Settings, and Advanced and change the relevant setting to External File. This can improve the way styles are delivered, making them easier for browsers to cache and serve efficiently. It's also important to pay attention to how your pages are built. Using overly complex nested elements can hurt performance, so keeping your layout clean and structured will help pages run more smoothly. In other words, good design isn't just about appearance, it also affects speed. You should also be aware that web font delivery can slow down text rendering and contribute to layout shifts, also known as CLS. If text appears late or jumps around as the page loads, fonts may be part of the issue. Keeping this in mind will help you troubleshoot speed and user experience problems more effectively. Finally, remember that no amount of builder tuning can fully fix a slow backend or weak hosting environment. Elementor optimization is important, but if your server, database, or network setup is slow, that will still limit your results. So combine these settings with solid hosting and clean site management for the best overall performance.